Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can try some cool shades before buying it on Amazon on your Snapchat app. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So Snapchat has partnered up with Amazon so you can try on eyewear using augmented reality and buy it in the comfort of your own home. So let me show you how to try on shades on Snapchat using augmented reality. So first, you want to open up Snapchat. Now here, you want to tap on the search here, the bottom. And now you want to search for Amazon Fashion. In your search results, you'll see all these Amazon lens. Go ahead and tap on this, and now this will enable the augmented reality where you can try some shades. As you can see, I'm wearing a black Ray-Ban shades here at the bottom. If you want to swap, just swipe to the left and you'll have a different shade. So this is only exclusive to the shops, Amazon shop in US. However, who knows, this might be extended in UK and other Amazon sites. So if you want to buy it, you just tap on it. And now here you can basically buy the shades. And that is how to try on some cool shades before buying it from Amazon on your Snapchat app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.